The world is standing at the threshold of a new era. The transition to artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept, it's our current reality. This shift promises to redefine how we work, live, and solve the most complex challenges of our time, but with great power comes significant responsibility. On the side of opportunity, AI is a massive economic engine. Experts predict it could add trillions of dollars to the global economy by the end of the decade. For businesses, this means unprecedented efficiency. Tasks that once took weeks can now be completed in seconds, freeing humans to focus on high-level strategy. Innovation is accelerating in fields like healthcare, where AI is helping discover new drugs and personalized treatments at a pace never seen before. It's also revolutionizing our approach to climate change, optimizing energy grids, and helping us design more sustainable materials for the future. In education, AI acts as a personalized tutor, adapting to each student's unique learning style and pace, potentially closing the global achievement gap. This democratization of knowledge is perhaps one of the most exciting opportunities, empowering anyone with an internet connection to learn anything. However, the transition isn't without its shadows. One of the most immediate concerns is the disruption of the labor market and job displacement. As machines take over routine tasks, millions of workers may find their skills becoming obsolete, creating a desperate need for large-scale reskilling. Then there's the risk of algorithmic bias. AI systems learn from data that often contains human prejudices, which can lead to unfair treatment in hiring or law enforcement. Misinformation is another critical threat. AI-generated deepfakes and automated propaganda can undermine public trust and even destabilize democratic institutions. Privacy is also under siege. As AI systems require vast amounts of personal data to function, the risk of surveillance and data misuse reaches unprecedented levels. Navigating the balance between innovation and individual rights will be one of the defining legal battles of this generation. Security risks are also evolving. AI can be used to launch sophisticated cyber attacks that are far more effective and harder to detect than traditional methods. From automated phishing to autonomous weapon systems, the potential for AI to be weaponized is a grave concern for global stability. On a deeper level, there is the alignment problem, ensuring that superintelligent systems actually do what we intend them to do. If an AI's goals deviate even slightly from human values, the consequences could be unintended and potentially catastrophic. So, how do we navigate this transition? It starts with robust regulation and global cooperation to set standards for safety and ethics. We need frameworks that encourage innovation while protecting the public interest, ensuring that AI benefits everyone, not just a few. The goal should be augmentation, not replacement. We must view AI as a tool that enhances human potential rather than something that competes with it. By combining human creativity and empathy with the analytical power of AI, we can unlock solutions to problems that were once thought unsolvable. Lifelong learning must become the norm. Our educational systems need to evolve to teach students how to work alongside AI and adapt to a shifting landscape. Investing in people is just as important as investing in the technology itself. The transition must be human-centered. The AI transition is the defining challenge of our century. It's a journey filled with both peril and promise, requiring our full attention. If we act with wisdom and foresight, we can ensure that the AI era is one of unprecedented flourishing for all of humanity.